Welcome, moms. Today, we're going to walk you through a complete, easy-to-follow tutorial on how to use a breast pump like a pro. Whether you're a first-time mom or just need a refresher, breast pumps help you express milk for later use, relieve engorgement, maintain supply, and offer flexibility when you're away from your baby. It's a lifesaver for working moms and nighttime feeding. Choose based on your lifestyle, budget, and comfort. Today, we'll focus on the electric breast pump. Before starting, make sure you have all parts: the flange, tubing, valves, bottles, and motor unit. Always wash your hands and sterilize all parts before each use. Start by attaching the flange to the bottle, then connect the valve and tubing. Secure the tubing to the motor. Double-check that everything is tightly sealed to avoid leaks. Flange size matters. A wrong size can cause pain or reduce milk output. The nipple should move freely in the tunnel with minimal areola pulled in. If it's rubbing, shouldn't feel pain, just a gentle tugging sensation. Start with stimulation mode. This mimics baby's initial sucking. After a minute or two, switch to expression mode. Let the pump run 15 to 20 minutes per breast. Store your milk in clean, labeled bags. In the fridge for up to 4 days, and in the freezer for up to 6 months. Always follow safe storage guidelines. That's it, mama. You've got this. Using a breast pump gets easier with practice. Remember, every drop counts. Be proud of yourself. Don't forget to like and share this